Hello and welcome to Toofless Tesla. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. Thank you. This is my neighbour's car. I thought I'd show you this Lamborghini's colourful brake calipers. It's always nice to have a splash of colour on your car, don't you think? I was inspired by Ken at Tesla Ho to add a splash of colour to my Midnight Silver Model S. He has an excellent video about how to put on some nice brake caliper covers to his white Model Y. I have left a link to his video in the description below. Please do check it out. So I decided to buy some brake caliper covers from Amazon for my Model S. Now, for most people in Hong Kong, we don't have our own garage to be able to do the work ourselves. We have to ask some local workshops to do the install for us. The package I received from Amazon was not complete, or at least it had some missing parts. First, the front caliper covers needed longer bolts, longer than the short bolts that were supplied anyway. Second, the garage mechanic said spacers were needed to ensure the caliper covers did not rub against the wheel spokes. So make sure you have a good working relationship with your garage mechanic. I'll have to say I'm quite pleased with the install, and a splash of green looks nice on Toofless. What do you think? Please share your comments below. I also gave a review on Amazon about the product I bought. There was extra work needed to install the brake caliper covers. I thought the extra work needed was worth it. What do you think? Thanks for watching and stay safe.